Hello friends, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a scalar value function in MySQL. So first of all, let's write select statement with the table product set of tab. Select star from product set of tab. Let's see the data. Execute. Yes, this is the data in the database table. Now add here clause here product ID equal to 101. Yes, the item name is PC. Now I'm gonna creating a scalar value function. So name the function, create function name, get product name, and for the parameter is PID integer, PID, this is product ID, and return value will be worker, so worker 50. I will return the name based on the product ID. So begin, then declare a variable I name worker, and then load the name, set the name from the select statement table based on product ID. So select item name from product set of tab. This is the table name, where product ID equal to, my parameter is PID, so PID, and then close the bracket, then return iname. Iname means item name. Apply. Oh, the function has none of deterministic, so add deterministic before beginning. Yes, now for deterministic, done. Apply again, apply, yes, done. Now call the scalar value function. Function name is product get product name. Select get product name. Put parameter, put product ID 101. Execute. Yes, PC. See that the 101 product ID name is PC, and 104 name is keyboard. So let's execute. Yes, it's displaying keyboard. Okay, hope you understand it well. Thanks for watching this tutorial.